Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by importing both the Mixamo animation FBX and your character into a clean Blender scene. Immediately apply transforms so scales match. This prevents offset drift later. Once imported, check that armatures are visible and in a neutral pose, then enable any rigging add-ons you plan to use. Make sure Blender units and frame rate match Mixamo export. Mismatched frame rates or scale create timing and foot sliding problems, so fix them before you retarget. Now you map bones from the Mixamo armature to your character's rig. You can either use Blender's bone constraints manually or a Retarget add-on to auto-map names. Start by aligning root, hips, spine, neck, and limb chains, parent and orient bones so rotations match. Once mapping looks correct in pose mode, bake the animation onto your character as a new action. This consolidates transforms and removes dependency on the source armature. Finally, remove temporary constraints to avoid double transforms. Finish by cleaning and polishing the baked animation. Trim frames, smooth curves, and adjust the root motion to prevent drifting. If you see foot sliding, either adjust the root translation so feet stay planted or re-export Mixamo in place and apply foot constraints to lock contact frames. If joint rotations look offset, create corrective pose adjustments or blend with your character's rest pose. Test playback in context, then save a duplicate file. If anything breaks, recheck bone.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.